Sanus Height Adjustable TV Wall Mount Review, Genius or Gimmick? Tired of wrestling with TV mounts that never sit right, block your soundbar, or leave you craning your neck? You measure, drill, and pray it's perfect, only to realize it's still off. That frustration builds, time wasted, energy drained, motivation gone. Suddenly your home theater upgrade feels more like a punishment than a project. Deadlines loom, stress mounts, burnout creeps in. That big game, ruined by glare. Movie night, next strain. Dinner party flex? Nope, your screen looks crooked. Each compromise feels heavier. Every viewing angle a missed opportunity. You start regretting the investment altogether, wondering if the dream setup was just a fantasy. Why settle for less when perfection is possible? Enter the Sanus Height Adjustable Full Motion TV Wall Mount for 42-inch to 90-inch TVs. The breakthrough that flips frustration into freedom. Built with premium alloy steel, it's engineered to hold up to 125 pounds of big screen power. Its 4-inch post-install height adjustment means you can finally raise or lower your TV even after it's on the wall. Perfect for clearing a soundbar, dodging outlets, or lowering from above a fireplace. Imagine finishing a tricky mount, then realizing your PS5 blocks the screen. No problem, a twist of the handle shifts it instantly. With 98 degrees of swivel, 15 degrees of tool-free tilt, and 28-inch of smooth extension, you get a glare-free, eye-level view from anywhere in the room. Push it back just 2.4-inch for that sleek, flush look. The 3-step DIY install makes setup a breeze, with included template, wall plate, and hardware. Add built-in cable management and a 10-year warranty, and you've got the mount that doesn't just hold a TV. It saves the day, every day. The benefits are immediate and undeniable. Workflows streamlined. No re-drilling, no endless adjustments, just a flawless setup. Stress melts away as your screen glides to the perfect angle every single time. Industry analysts call it a category innovator, praising its post-install adjustment as a genuine game changer. Influencers rave, this mount is rock solid. I can extend, tilt, or swivel my 85-inch TV without a wobble. One reviewer admitted, the height adjustment saved me from remounting when my soundbar blocked the screen. Everyday users agree. It looks clean, hides all the wires, and finally makes movie night a joy. Isn't it wild how one mount solves so many headaches? The fluid motion swivel and tilt make fine-tuning effortless, while low-profile design keeps everything sleek and modern. And when you feel that sturdy click of the lock, you'll know your investment is safe. Whether you're a DIY hero, gamer, sports fanatic, or movie buff, this mount transforms your living room into a personal theater. Strong, flexible, future-proof. This is more than a bracket. It's peace of mind and pro-level performance built into your wall. But here's the catch. Stock is limited. Don't wait. Don't overthink. Secure your Sanus Full Motion TV Wall Mount today before it disappears. Join thousands of homeowners, gamers, and home theater enthusiasts who've already upgraded their setups. Why gamble with wobble and regret when you can lock in confidence, clarity, and comfort? Seize the moment. Transform your living room into the ultimate viewing experience. Act now, because perfection doesn't wait, and neither should you.